Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to receive money from Venmo in Nigeria. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you all. Before we get started, I want to make a few things clear. First, this video is for informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and I cannot give you specific advice on how to use Venmo. Second, Venmo is not available in Nigeria. However, there are a few ways to receive money from Venmo if you have a friend or family member who lives in the United States. So, let's get started. How to receive money from Venmo in Nigeria. Step 1. Create a Venmo account. If you don't already have a Venmo account, you'll need to create one. You can do this by going to the Venmo website or downloading the app. Step 2. Get a U.S. bank account. You'll need a U.S. bank account to receive money from Venmo. There are a few different ways to get a U.S. bank account. You can open an account with a U.S. bank that has an international branch, or you can use a service like Wise or TransferWise. Step 3. Link your Venmo account to your U.S. bank account. Once you have a U.S. bank account, you'll need to link it to your Venmo account. You can do this by going to the Settings tab in the Venmo app and selecting Add a Bank Account. Step 4. Ask your friend or family member to send you money. Now that you have everything set up, you can ask your friend or family member to send you money via Venmo. They will need to enter your Venmo username or email address, and they will also need to select the amount of money they want to send. Step 5. Receive your money. Once your friend or family member has sent you money, it will be deposited into your U.S. bank account. You can then withdraw the money or transfer it to your Nigerian bank account. Additional tips. If you don't have a friend or family member who lives in the United States, you can use a service like Wise or TransferWise to receive money from Venmo. It is important to note that there may be fees associated with using Venmo. Be sure to follow all of the instructions carefully when setting up your Venmo account and linking it to your U.S. bank account. I hope this video has helped you learn how to receive money from Venmo in Nigeria. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.